I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Zebra Zt411, correct media, and a compatible ribbon. This prevents jams. Plug in power and network or USB, then press the power button to boot. Once the front panel lights, open the top cover to expose the media path. Insert the label roll and ribbon on the correct spindles, threading both to the printhead with sensors aligned. Make sure sensors click into their slots. This sets accurate label detection before you move on. With media loaded, run the built-in calibration so sensor thresholds match the label gaps or black marks. This ensures consistent feeding. Next, set print mode and DPI 300 or 203, plus exact label width and length to match your job, because mismatches cause misalignment. If networked, assign a static IP via the Zebra menu or web interface so it's reachable. Otherwise, install the driver on your workstation and select the Zt4. Print a test label to confirm text, barcode density, and position. This is your final verification. If print quality is dull or streaky, clean the printhead with approved swabs and replace the ribbon or plate and roller if worn, because maintenance keeps uptime high. If the printer reports errors or misfeeds, rerun calibration, check that sensors are seated, and confirm driver page size and communication protocol. If networked, ping the assigned IP. One reliable tip: power cycle after adjustments to apply changes cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.